Hi, I am Nicola, and in this video I will show how to create a protocol in JMobile. Let's start double-clicking on the protocol item. And from this list we can add a protocol by clicking the plus button. When a new line is added here, we can click inside the cell and select the protocol to use. In this example we will use a Siemens protocol. So select Siemens S7 optimized protocol, and for each protocol you can then configure some details on how the protocol will act and will behave. For instance, in the Siemens S7 optimized protocol, there is just the need to set the IP address of the protocol. Once the protocol has been configured, we can now import variables from the protocol. Let's double click on tags, and then we select the protocol, and we can hit this icon here, which is import dictionary. Each protocol has a different importer. In the Siemens case, we can read the full TIA portal project to read the variables. We can click OK here, and let's select a project that has an extension, in this case done with TIA Portal 17, AP175. Let's see that when the protocol importer has been asked to read the file, tags will be added according to what has been found in the file. In this example, we will see 3 tags that can be potentially created in JMobile and then that are present into the PLC. We can select each one or filter the one that we want and then promote them to tag by selecting them and hitting the button with a right click, add to tags. Now we have configured tags and we are free to use these tags in all the JMobile features, from pages to all the logical features. Let's go, for instance, into the page one, which is empty, and let's select a numeric field. Let's put this field into the page. Let's add some graphical content, and then we double click and we can now create an attachment to the tag. We can point exactly to the tag, or we can apply transformations, linear transformation or formula transformation to tags. If we want to simulate this protocol, we can hit the Start Simulator button. The simulation will start and will give us the possibility to simulate the protocol by unchecking this box. We will get the real communication between the simulator and the PLC. Moreover, if we click Tag Simulator, we will have the list of variables that are defined and the ones that are used into the current page. We can filter, we can write and read by watch list any single tag defined in the protocol. Remember that we can configure more than one protocol. We can go up to 8 protocols for a single project, and we can create tags for any protocol. Thanks for watching and see you next time.